You watching Dancehall and News TV? Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And now the news. Jamaica's murder tally for 2017 continues to rise as recent statistics show it has passed the 1,500 mark. According to data, from January 1 to December 6, there were 1,508 cases of homicide. This is 275 more, or a 22% increase over last year. Based on the latest statistics, an average 4 persons are murdered daily in Jamaica. According to the data, St. James was the parish with the highest number of killings, amounting to 313. Clarendon had the second highest number, 160. Followed by the St. Andrew South Police Division with 149 and Westmoreland 134. Next on the list was St. Catherine North with 123 and St. Catherine South 103. There were 1,250 in Jamaica in all of last year. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you can be notified of new videos when they are uploaded. On to the next video. Don't perplex my tranquility. I'm out.